Hello and welcome to Springmaid Pier, or what will be the new Springmaid Pier. As you can see, there's a lot of construction staging over here and actual pier construction over there. So let's take a walk around and get a better view and see how far along they are with the new Springmaid Pier. Really can't see much from here, so let's make our way to the beach, get a better view there. So it appears, if you look closely, it's almost like a ramp coming downward towards the beach. I'm really not sure what the intent of that is, but we will find out as construction progresses.